Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action has been testing the patience of many traders lately. After peaking at $99,800 on the 24th, we've been stepping down through key horizontal support levels like descending stairs. First, it dropped to $96,500 on the 27th, then to $95,000 until the 29th, and now we're sitting at around $93,500. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, there's a noticeable leverage pocket sitting at $93,000. This pocket could get swept before we see a turn to the upside. Meanwhile, an upper liquidity pocket around $98,000 is also worth noting. On the 1-week heat map, things look worse for the bulls. There's a massive liquidation leverage cluster around $92,300. However, the 2-week heat map brings a glimmer of hope, showing a much hotter liquidity pocket at the $100,000 level. What does this mean? The market maker might sweep the $92,000 level before driving prices higher toward the $100,000 mark. With Bitcoin poised for a run-up into higher numbers, time is the key factor here. Today is December 30th, and Bitcoin is showing a disappointing monthly return of negative 2.91% for a halving year. That said, it's not all doom and gloom. Quarter 4 of 2024 still boasts an impressive gain of 47.63%, even with December falling short of expectations. Let's not forget, Bitcoin broke the $100,000 level earlier this month. Now about the Bitcoin ETFs. From the 19th to the 24th, ETFs had a red streak, with total outflows averaging negative $378.95 million. On the 26th, inflows returned, totaling $475.2 million, with Fidelity's FBTC leading the pack at $254.4 million. But the 27th saw those same buyers offloading $208.2 million, while IBIT added $79.4 million, and even Grayscale GBTC stacked $3.7 million in Bitcoin. Despite this, the day still ended with a net outflow of $287.9 million. In other news, a whale made waves by buying 2,700 Bitcoin worth $255 million on Binance. Now let's talk history. I found an interesting chart on Glassnode titled Bitcoin Price Performance Since Halving. It highlights a recurring theme across halving cycles: a slowdown in price action during December to February before ramping up into the peak year. This suggests we could be in for a similar pause before seeing a significant rally in January or February of 2025. Another insightful chart from BitBo, titled Bitcoin Halving Progress, shows we're 17.6% into the current cycle, here indicated with a green progress background. Interestingly, in previous cycles, this exact stage often had a dip followed before a massive run to a new all-time high. The red dots on this chart indicate when Bitcoin reached its cycle peaks, and if history rhymes, we might be on the brink of a buying spree in the next year, 2025. If you're bullish on Bitcoin's future or have ideas for altcoins to buy and hold until next year, drop a tip in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to join our Discord for more discussions. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe to the channel for future updates and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. And see you in the next one.